What's going on again, YouTube? I got a replacement bulb for my headlight, so we're about to take a look at that. It just came in this package here. I got another cap just in case I need to replace the cap for it as well. Again, it is this headlight here. This halogen bulb is out on me, so hopefully I can replace it and be smooth sailing again. I also have LED not tail lights, turn signals on my mirrors that I need to replace. I don't need to, I just kind of want to. I've seen people do the LED strips, like the sequential strips on there, so I'm going to install that as well. So you'll see that in this video. You will also see me fix this headlight. Enjoy. Let's take a look and unbox this. See what we're working with. Oh. Comes in a fancy little box. Okay, it looks pretty simple. Kind of plug and play. I'm gonna set that to the side for now. Basically, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try not to touch the bulb as much as I can. Basically, this little guy, it's got a little fitting down here. Pop in, pop out. Should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. We're gonna get that headlight off. This is like the 10th time I've taken this fucking headlight off. Holy. Okay, I got this fitting very well. Set up very well now. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. So again, I got the headlight off. Basically going to take this guy out and swap her out. And pray she works. What does it fitting look like? Awesome. Pull it out. See what I do, bud? It's kind of a pain to get this fucking fitting on. I have tiny fingers. So, we got the bulb out. Basically, it has this housing thing that goes around it. You have to pull this housing thing off of it. You kind of have to stick your screwdriver in there and twist it out. I'll link another video that I was looking at to get it out. I was able to watch the video, pop it in and out. I'm about to put the new one in. This is the old one, so we are going to chunk this guy. We're gonna grab this new guy here and pop this guy on top of him. This little housing fitting. Okay. I think that's on the way. I'm trying to not touch the bulb as much as possible. It's a little difficult. Okay, yeah, I've got it on all the way. Basically, you put that thing back on. You're gonna take your headlight, stick it in that hole, put the blue connector pin up, and you should be rocking and rolling. Obviously it's gotta go that and then screw it, I think. Like that, yep. That should be in place, I think. Kind of. If I put it in over that. I think I need to twist this around a little bit. Maybe this one is open. No? Okay, well, I keep thinking I have it hooked and I don't. I don't know how hooked up it was prior. It's still moving around a little bit. It is in there now. If I move it around though, I'm afraid it might fall. Well, I don't know. Let's look at that again before I feel confident. Oh, it's pretty sturdy. Okay, now it's not going anywhere. Yeah, we're not going anywhere now. I did have a new cap to put on, but this old cap was fine, so I'm gonna leave it on there. So we got the new bulb in there. It's all tight and secure. It's not going anywhere. If I can actually grab it. Yeah, it's not going anywhere. It took me a second to get it tightened, but it should be good now. Now I'm just gonna put this little cap back on. We're gonna throw her back on the car. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. This should be pretty simple. Plugging it back in right now. Hopefully this will be the last time I have to take these headlights off for a little bit. I should get another bulb for the other side because this one went out. I'm at 105,000 miles. Might as well. Might as well upgrade that other one too. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if that fixed the issue. Moment of truth. Oh, baby. We fixed it. We fixed it. We sure did. That side's still going. But look at that brand new bulb, baby. Look at that brand new bulb, baby. I'm proud. Finally got it working. It pissed me off. I was like ready to take it to a shop at that point last week when the new headlights work. I still have them. I need to figure out what I'm gonna do with them. I'm gonna try to sell them, I think. Just remember, the 121490 Anzo headlights do not work on the ST3. If you have the HID Xeon headlights, whatever the fuck they call them, they do not work. They do not work for that car. So yeah, I'm glad we got this working. We will continue with the turn signals. For now, I think I might just wait on the turn signals. I was messing with it a little bit and I just couldn't get the clip off. So I'm just gonna kind of leave it be today. I was kind of giving it some brute force I didn't want to. And I saw the cap itself kind of move back a little bit. So I'm just kind of leaving it the way it is for now until I feel a little bit more confident to pull it off. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video for today. We got the headlight fixed, so that's good. Next is fun cosmetic stuff.